Oh, that's white plank? Another IKEA trip. I don't know if I filmed when I was putting this together, but IKEA was sold out of the clothing racks last time I went for this set. It's called like the Jonex or something, but they finally came back into stock this week, so I went and grabbed two. So now I can finally hang up my clothes, and the last bit of my stuff that's still in a suitcase can finally be hung up. So yeah, I'm gonna set that up. And then last time I didn't get all the mesh drawers because I kind of just wanted to see how it would look. But this, I kind of like the look of this mesh drawer, so I bought the rest. And it's actually quite a bit of space. I think this is just enough space for all my clothes. Yeah, so I'm gonna set this up now. Hey guys, I just got back from Black Friday shopping and I thought I would show you guys what I got because I think it's a little pretty good haul today. Like I usually don't buy too much when I go out, but I was looking for some gifts this time and there was some like pretty cute things in central London today. We went to quite a few spots. We first went to Harrods first and they were having 10% off everything there. And then we went to Selfridges and they were having pretty good sales too. Not everywhere in Selfridges, but there was a lot of pretty good deals. And then anyways, I'll just show you guys what I got. One of the cutest things I got today was this. So my friend is having a little bachelorette party and I was looking for like some kind of gift for her just to congratulate her. And at Selfridges, they were doing custom socks. So I got the socks with their faces on there. So you can just like pick a photo and then you can crop out people's faces and you can add it to the sock. So I found a picture of them on Instagram and I'm gonna give it to her next week at her bachelorette. I think it's so cute. The designs are pretty cheesy, but I think it makes it even better. It just says like wifey for life. But yeah, just a cute little gift. And then at Selfridges, we were just looking in the gift area because I needed some Secret Santa gifts, but we saw this puzzle and it's like of dogs and all the different breeds, and I thought this would be a cute activity for us to do over the Christmas break because we're kind of obsessed with cute dogs. So, and it's quite affordable too, so a good little holiday purchase. And then I can also frame it after and use it as decor. So it's like a checkered coat, but the color is actually a sage green, which I thought was a nice touch. And I think it just looks really classy. It's from a brand called Whistles, but everything was 25% off. So I thought it was a really good deal for like a good coat like this, like a good long coat. And then at Harrods, they were doing 25% off, so I went to the Dior beauty counter. Like honestly, their bags are so nice. And I bought the popular lip glow oil. I think I might go back and get the lip glow, like the regular balm, as a Secret Santa present because our budget is, or like keeping it under 20 pounds each. So with the 10% off, it would be 23 pounds. So I think that's fine. So I'm probably gonna go back and get that. And then last thing, not so exciting, just a bit of purchase from Zara. For that bachelorette party, I don't really have a black dress, so the theme is gonna be, she's gonna be wearing white and we're all gonna be wearing black. So I picked up some things. I still need to try these on because I didn't try it on in stores since I'm just so lazy to try clothes on in stores. But I'm just gonna try two options on. So I got this like just a cowl neck top that I can wear with a skirt, or there's also this dress. So it's like a kind of like a cowl neck but scrunched up dress. So I'm gonna try these two on and pick one for the bachelorette. And then one more thing, I got this. I'm really obsessed with this green color, but it's not coming off very green on camera. But yeah, just like a dark emerald little knit vest. And yeah, that's everything I got. I'm gonna give the clothes a try on now. Skylines, paint the night, spinning our favorite songs, holding you tight,